What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. We have something crazy going on right now, guys. I can't believe this. We have a gap down after hours, and we are selling off extremely aggressively after the close, guys. This is something that you don't really see too often here, guys, but this is wild. I did take a short intraday, and I wish that I held that going into this. Obviously, if I knew the market was going to gap down, guys, I would have held my short. But really nice play here. Let's talk about the trades today. Let's talk about scalping. Let's talk about the Fibonacci, guys. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So let me go ahead right here. Let's go ahead and share this link with everybody in the community, and we'll get right into the video here. So I'm just going to go here. All right. Boom. And let's go on to the Twitter and let everybody know we are live and ready to go. Okay, so right here, guys. Boom. Live now. Let's go. Fib scalps. All right, guys. Okay. So hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear, and let's get right into this. Okay, so I'm going to start off here with SPY. Okay, so let's go here to SPY, guys. And let's go into the price action today. Just remove this triangles. Hit the refresh button real quick. See if I can get rid of all of these alerts on the chart. Okay. All right. So we want to talk about scalping. Okay, so we want to discuss how to scalp, why to scalp, when to scalp. Okay. And what I'm going to walk you through is I'm going to walk you through two scenarios today. Okay. And we're going to start off with the home run, which was the Fibonacci short of the day, which was a really nice and a really strong short that we were able to take intraday. Okay. So we're going to start off right here off the bat, and I'm going to hit the replay. All right. So the thing that I like to do, guys, I like to wait 15 minutes when I'm looking for these Fibonacci scalping plays. Okay, at least 15 minutes. I want to see 2 to 3 candles to understand what is the direction on the day. What is the direction that the market wants us to move in? Trying to predict the market. I'm trying to react to what the market is giving me. Okay, so hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And what we do here is we always look at the left side of the chart and we say, okay, let's go ahead and let's draw a rectangle. And we ask ourselves, what direction is that? Okay, so hit me with the 1 if that's bearish, hit me with the 2 for bullish. What do you guys think? Is that bearish or is that bullish? So in this case, guys, it's pretty straightforward because we have big, solid red candles making new lows. We don't even have a retracement. So what do we do from here? Well, when I scalp, I like to scalp the pullback because a pullback is always what's going to help me to manage my risk to reward and make sure that I'm making good gains. Okay, as long as I'm trying to get a pullback, I'm not chasing, because if I chase, I'm going to usually get in at a worse price than if I were to be patient and wait for the price to come to me. So what we do here is we just go ahead and we use our tool, high to low like this. I'm going to double click here and I'm going to go ahead and put on the basic. Okay, and what we're looking for is the direction of the move in the morning. Okay, so right here, this direction, we're looking to continue this direction. So anytime we rally, we want to short. Anytime we rally, we want to short. Anytime we rally, we want to short, because we're saying that this block of shorts will continue to pound into the shorts on the day. It's going to continue to make lower lows. So we're trying to find that part in the trend where it's pulling back and we can load into the party. And what's really good about it is when we use the Fibonacci, we have a clear defined stop loss, which is going to be the swing high in this case, and we have a clear defined entry. So for me, my entry is the 618. Okay, but you can also add the 786 Fibonacci, which is a more deeper retracement. So we're going to focus on those two. Okay, so hit me with the 3 if you're following everything I just said. So again, what we're going to do, we look left, say what's going on, what's the direction. Okay, we're going lower. So now every time we rally, I'm going to fade the rally. I'm going to fade the rally. I'm going to fade the rally because I'm looking to continue in the direction. And no, you're not always going to be 100% right, but let's look at the risk to reward tool. So let's say we're shorting here, and let's say we're shorting here. Okay. Let's look at the risk to reward tool. So I'm going to keep both of these on so we can measure the risk to reward together. Okay. So I'm going to keep both of these on. So anyways, let's continue. Bang. So we make a new low. All you do is just move that anchor down. Continue again. Okay. Move that anchor down again. And you're just waiting for that pullback. Okay. Again, anchor down lower. So all of this, guys, in real time, we're just waiting. We're being patient. Okay. Again, move that anchor down. And then finally, we start to get the pullback. So let's go ahead and adjust everything here. All right. So we're going to go ahead here, put this back on the 618, put that stop loss at the high, put this on the 786 right here, put that stop loss at the high. So I'm going to hop into the Discord. I'm going to go to the live Fibonacci setup. Okay. And here is from our Discord room, which also includes the Fibonacci bot. Okay. So we ended up going short at 1047 today. All right. And let me go ahead and let me find the P&L on this one here. One sec, guys. Let me get the P&L for you guys so I can show. I should have had the P&L on the chart. One sec right here. Okay. So here is the P&L on the short right here. Okay. All right. So back to where we were. So again, Fibonacci filled short at 1047. Okay. So I sent a voice note out after we got filled talking about the game plan and how we can manage a trade. So let's go ahead. Bang, bang. There's your fill. Okay. So let's stop right here for 1 second. How many of you would be intimidated or scared to take this trade? Because if you look at what's happening, it's rallying aggressively, right? Would you feel scared? Hit me with a 5. If yes, hit me with a 6 if no. And what the whole point of this strategy is always to look to the left here. This, what we are considering happening in this block is just a chop. It's just a pullback. It's just a reload. Okay. So there's that 618. Now watch this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So if you're an extreme scalper, so now this is where scalping comes in. If we go down to the 2-minute chart, here we see the rejection from the 618. You have that push down right there. That's your scalp. You're scalping in and out quickly. Okay. And then we come back to the 786 right here. And then bang. Okay. We pause again, start to go sideways. And then we have that follow through there. So many times, guys, in this little zone here, in the 618 and 786, in this little box, that's your sweet spot. Okay. That's your sweet spot to look for your scalps in this box. And the maximum protection is going to be up at this high. All right, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. And then from here, guys, we go sideways for a little bit. And then finally, look at this move right here. So you can see here in the Discord, target hit, home run, really, really nice trade. And then let me fast forward, dropped off the face of the planet right there. And then if we go to futures, it continued after hours, which is ridiculously crazy. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So you can see I have it drawn up here. This is the same short. This is the short that I took earlier. Okay. So this is the one using futures contracts. I took profits around 3 times, but you could see here, guys, if I had held that to right now, okay, that's about 7 times my money. That would have been about a $4,000 profit. So that's also the power of futures that I wanted to show you guys there as well. Okay. Hit me with an 8 if everything makes sense, guys. And I want to really thank you for showing up today and giving me an opportunity to educate you. This Sunday will be a $50 giveaway. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and hope to see you guys there on the giveaway stream. All right. So there we go, guys. The scalping is that little pocket, that zone, that 618, 786. You can see how when we get there, how the algos are just rejecting, and then they're building up that short. But if you look to the left side, The left side is always the trick for me, okay? So on the flip side, I'll just show you guys this quickly. I also tried a long today, okay? So let's look at this, all right? So here is the hourly chart. Look at this, guys. So for my scalpers, look at this. This is the hourly 618 and the 786. Let's go look at it. Look at this, guys. Right off of that hourly 786. Can you scalp that? Hit me with the one if you think you can. Can't you scalp that? Look at that, guys. Really, really nice. So the Fibonacci is just an amazing thing. What time do you draw the futures for this play? In the morning, okay? So, you know, when you think about this, guys, there's so many Fibonacci levels that are happening on multiple time frames. It's a fraction of itself. It's a mirror of itself. It's literally almost like multiple universes of Fibonacci's stacked on top of each other from the weekly, daily, monthly, etc. And the key is to have your Fibonacci's lined up, ready to go, all right? And then you go in and you scalp or you play for the bigger picture, whatever one you want to do. The main point of this video is just to give you that tool, okay? So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this session, my friends. And for me, that short really saved me this week. I needed that short to hit, and we got that short. So I'm very grateful and thankful. And I'm thankful for everybody in the Discord for following along live with me and taking these trades together. And I really appreciate the community that we have. All right, guys. So as always, check me out at tradingwars.com. If you want to come trade with us live, you can sign up right here on the main page. It's $49.99 a month. Or right now, I'm going to do a special deal on this book here, okay? The SPY Options Mastery. This book talks about all of the setups I just talked about with the fibs and SPY. It's all about SPY. It's about futures, about options. So instead of having 1 month for free, so normally the book is $100. It normally comes with 1 month for free, plus my indicators for life, over 50 charts and videos as well, guys. I'm going to do 2 months for free for the next 24 hours for anyone interested in this book specifically, or the Fibonacci book, not the Society, but the Fibonacci book or the SPY book. Those are really two good ones if you guys want to come and trade with us every single day. It's not easy at all, guys, to do this for a living. It's not easy at all to do this, but consistently, but in the long run, it is one of the most rewarding things. And I've been able to remind myself to really try to enjoy the journey, because it's like we're in the trenches together and we're fighting every day to make money, guys, and to follow a system, follow a plan. And it's a very rewarding thing. One of the most rewarding things in trading is having a good plan and following it through. Whether you win or lose is irrelevant, but obviously you like to win more, right? But still, the process is such an important thing, and it's something that'll keep you excited and motivated about life. All right. So thank you so much for your time. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, hey, let me know in the comment, did you like this video? This is more of a scalping style. If you want to scalp, if you want to learn more about scalping, let me know, and we'll try to do a master class, a few parts, detailed step-by-step on scalping. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Take care. Have a great night. Sunday's the giveaway. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe.